Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Zaidi Ikram bin Muhammad Zainuddin. My metric number is 01DTK19F1018.
And hi, my name is Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Shukri, and my metric number card is 01 DTK 19 F1001.
So, first of all is introduction. What is computer repair shop? Computer repair shop, alternatively referred to as a repair store or service center and repair center. A repair shop is company's department or third-party business that fix computer problem. Example of computer problem of software error. So how do we fix software error? Basically, if we want to fix software error, we need to install back the Windows operating system, for example Windows 10. Next is organization. ZNF Computer Repair Shop is the most qualitiest repair shop in Perak. We only have one branch, and that is at Ulu Kinta. The reason why we choose this place are because our repair shop is near at Polytechnic Ungku Omar. So basically, student can came to our shop if their computer have problem. For example, as I said, software error. So our shop are open from 8 a.m. to 3 a.m. and we only close at Friday and Saturday. So why do we choose Friday and Saturday? Because Friday is Muslim prayer, is Solat Jumaat. Okay, next, service content. So basically, we help to repair damaged component in the computer. For example, damaged motherboard that need replacement because of damaged water or damaged resistor in the board. So, why does this happen? Why does damage what caused the damaged motherboard? So basically, for example, when student always drink water, right? So when they put water next to the laptop, they can spill the water into the motherboard. This can cause the computer to be broken, so broken or damaged. So basically, we will help them to replace the motherboard. Next, help to upgrade the operating system of a computer to the latest version, for example from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Because as you can see, the Microsoft team has ended the Windows 7 support. Basically, so this can cause problem to your computer because of some file cannot support the Windows 7. So basically, we need to upgrade our computer to Windows 10. So next, we also help to upgrade a new graphic card or GPU or a new central processing unit, or what we call CPU. For example, using the latest GPU, the RTX 1080, for much faster hands performance. So basically, what is the use of graphic card? So basically, graphic card are used to render video. For example, when you are doing editing, when you are doing editing, you need a faster graphic card so that you can finish the work faster, and also for gaming. So basically, when gaming, the demand for GPU is very high because the video quality that need to render in the game. Next are CPU. So basically, the much higher the CPU, the better the when you want to do multitasking. For example, opening up browser on Google, or you want to do two work at the same time. Okay, the most fastest CPU are the AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3990X. So basically, we help our customer to replace their CPU so that they can do much faster multitasking. The CPU has 64 core, and compared to some laptop, they only have 8 core. This 64 core can increase much faster multitasking. Next are characteristic. So basically our shop has a fast service. For example, we will repair your computer on the suitable deadline, meaning that we will meet the requirement of our deadline because we know that our customer can't be impatient. So basically we will try our best to meet the requirement deadline. Next, we will give the most proper treatment by treating our customer nicely. So basically what this means are that uh, we will treat our customer so that they will feel comfortable with our shop and with our product. So basically we want to make sure that the customer are satisfied with our service. Next, we will use the most genuine and greatest quality so that your computer can last longer. So why does we use genuine quality? So if, for example, if you use a motherboard that is not meet the certificate by some company, this can cause your computer to have a problem. For example, if you use a Chinese OEM motherboard, OEM mean that you copy the motherboard, but the safety are not the safety of the motherboard is not very safe. So basically, you need to use genuine quality product so that the so that your computer can last much longer. So that's why we use a genuine quality product that is certificated by the factory that produce the motherboard. Thank you. I will continue this presentation to Faris.
Okay, so it's my turn to explain the stage for the service computer repair shop. So we have 3 points. First, we have the most knowledgeable technician in our shop. So that means that if we have the exit our knowledge, so many customer come to service their computer. So don't need to worry about it. Okay. So for the second, we give a warranty to our easily damaged computer component. So that means customer don't need to be a panic because we will give our warranty if the component broke of damage of of our service do not good enough, we will give a warranty. And the last part is our part from the certificate factory. So the customer should do not be worried or do not need to think anything about our shop because we service is the best way and good enough. So come to our service computer repair shop. Okay, for the weakness, we have the 3 points. Okay, first, our technician can be careless at certain point because uh, the our technician can be careless because too many customer come to service and it's make uh, careless and make not good enough make to make customer happy. And next, we might not be able to finish on the deadline due to slow component delivery because that's mean the because that's mean the our technician can't be finished for the 1 day because the computer is not easy to solve and it's not easy to service and it make me 2 days of a week. because the component also slow to delivery come. And the last, damage to computer component due to sensitive parts. That means our product service is not the original, and it's make to computer customer can be damaged more because it's not the original part, because the second hand, and it makes computer is not better, and it make uh, good is not make it good enough. Okay, we go to solution to witness. We have the 3 points. Okay, first, we'll make sure that our technician double check their works. So that's mean in our technician, if they're done to service our customer computer, and they make sure that they will double check if the component do not done, of if broke, of it's make computer customer hot. That's why our technician will double check until they think that works is really done. Okay, for the second, handling sensitive part carefully so that it can be damaged. That means that our technician will be carefully to part of sensitive, because do not make be damaged to our customer computers. And the last, make sure they use fast delivery service so that our component arrive faster. So make calling for the component to arrive, to make sure the fast delivery service, and it makes to our technician can go to work for the service our computer customer. Okay, so for the conclusion, our computer repair shop give a customer benefits which keeping your computer running smoothly. Okay, and next, if a computer do not service, it will be worse, because it will be left untreated, can be accumulated dust and debris, which may result on slow performance if you customer do not go to service your computer. And the third, if your computer do not update antivirus, it makes your computer infected with virus of malware. And if the customer do not know of ignore your computer, please make your computer worse and make antivirus do not update. Okay, and that's the computer are now so advanced because they are being used for almost everything, and they are even useful for communication, and it's make our can makes communication make better, such as typing for the friend, email, of social media like Facebook, Instagram. Okay, and last but not least, the use of computers make different tasks easier. It also effort and reduce the overall cost to complete a particular task. It's may that mean your, because the computer it make easier, and it make smooth, and it's make quickly work. And if you do not know, the computer is make you easier, and you should take note for your computer if your computer need to need to service, okay, and update. So that's all, me and Zaidi, and thank you for watching and like and subscribe, okay.